Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best solar charger is probably one of the most sought-after gadgets for outdoor enthusiasts and preppers alike, offering a reliable and eco-friendly way to keep your devices powered up even in remote locations or during emergencies. In this video, we will explore its functionalities, benefits, and essential factors to consider before making a purchase decision. Number 5. ECO-worthy 10W Solar Charger. It's perfect for keeping your vehicle's battery charged while it's sitting and used for weeks. No more worrying about a dead battery. This solar charger uses trickle charging to prevent overcharging, and a built-in diode protects against reverse charging. It even works on cloudy days. It's completely waterproof, so you can use it outdoors without worry. The frosted surface means no extra film protection is needed. Installation is a snap. Just plug it into your cigarette lighter or connect the alligator clips to your battery terminals. You'll be done in minutes. It's suitable for cars, trucks, boats, lawnmowers, and many other vehicles. Keep your battery charged, no matter what you're driving. With upgraded PCB technology and enhanced protection features, it charges your battery safely and efficiently. It's the perfect travel companion. What we like. It's waterproof and you can use it safely outdoors. Installation is a breeze, it only takes a few minutes to set up. This charger uses a trickle charge to keep your battery healthy without overcharging, perfect for maintaining car batteries during periods of non-use. If you need a simple, reliable solution for maintaining your vehicle's battery, this is it. What people say. The charger is suitable for keeping vehicles' boat batteries charged during weeks of disuse, without the need to disconnect the battery or have someone start the vehicle periodically. The 10W monocrystalline solar panel uses trickle charging to charge the battery without causing overcharging, and the built-in blocking diode prevents reverse charging without extra maintenance at night, ensuring protection against damage. The panel works even on cloudy days, making it a reliable source of power. Number 4. 20W12V Solar Battery Charger. It boasts an innovative MPPT technology, achieving up to 99% tracking efficiency and 98% peak conversion efficiency. This improves the utilization rate by 20% to 30%. This charger features a smart 3-stage charging algorithm, bulk, absorption, and float. This ensures safer charging and maintains your 12V battery at a stable level, extending its lifespan and preventing overcharging. The LED indicator lets you easily monitor its status. It automatically cuts off when fully charged and resumes when needed, so you always know it's working correctly. It offers multiple protections: overcharge discharge, overvoltage, overcurrent, overload, short circuit, reverse polarity, overtemperature, and is IP65 waterproof and sparkproof. It's compatible with various 12V batteries, including gel, deep cycle, SLA, flooded, AGM, sealed lead acid, and LiFePO4 lithium batteries. Made with high-efficiency mono-solar cells and a durable frame, it can withstand extreme weather conditions, including UV, hail, and sandstorms. It comes with pre-designed holes for quick installation and plug-and-play cables, making setup simple and straightforward. It's perfect for various uses, from cars and boats to RVs, trailers, and more. Keep your batteries charged wherever you go. What we like. This charger boasts smart MPPT technology for maximum efficiency and a 3-stage charging process for optimal battery health. It's compatible with various battery types, ensuring versatility. If you're looking for a highly efficient and versatile solar charger to extend the life of your battery, this is the one for you. What people say. It keeps my batteries charged year-round. I was amazed how well it works and easy to install. Set them on the outside of the trailer last winter and this past summer on my second year. Been working great. Keeps the batteries charged. No maintenance for the batteries or the chargers. Installed on my cabin cruiser, seems to maintain batteries with the electronics running, charges pretty fast, was easy to install and seems really well built and looks good. Number 3. SOLPERK 50W Solar Panel Kit. It boasts a high conversion rate, turning sunlight into electricity to charge your 12V battery. It's perfect for various applications, from RVs to boats. This solar panel includes a waterproof charge controller. It prevents overcharging and keeps your battery healthy, showing you the charging status with clear LED indicators. With a durable design and weatherproof construction, it's made to last for years, even in harsh conditions. It can handle wind, snow, and more. The adjustable mount lets you optimize its angle for maximum sunlight capture. Installation is simple with pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connections. This kit includes everything you need: solar panel, controller, mount, and cables. Plus, we offer lifetime technical support and 24/7 after-sales service. What we like. With high-efficiency solar cells and a robust design, it's built to last. The adjustable mount lets you optimize sunlight capture for maximum charging. If you need a powerful and long-lasting solar panel for various applications, this is a great option. What people say. Works as advertised. Includes all pieces and parts needed to hook it up. I primarily purchased this for its trickle charger capability for my mower that sits in my shed. I wanted to eliminate the use of an extension cord for trickle charging the mower during winter season. I installed this and it has an option to attach lighting as well. I purchased a few motion detector shed LED lights. I spliced the cables into a SAE cable for a plug-and-play option. After reviewing several panels and determining that I needed one with the capability of being weather-resistant, I decided to purchase the 20W SOLPERK Solar Panel Kit 20W12V, Solar Battery Trickle Charger Maintainer. Installation was straightforward, and aside from finding a way to thread the wire from the roof of my shed to the battery, there is nothing complicated about the installation. After setup, I didn't see a green light, indicating complete charge, on the battery indicator, but since I hadn't charged the battery in a while, I thought I would give it time. I did monitor the output of the solar cell, roughly 14V depending on sun exposure, and noted that with no load, my battery was just about 12 volts. After a day, the voltage on the battery popped up to about 12.4V, but I still had a red light on the battery charge indicator. By day 3, the battery light was green and the battery was at full capacity. Testing a week later, I drained the battery a bit by leaving some lights on for about 1 hour, 12V LEDs. The battery charge light was red for a period of time and then went green again. The battery had maintained full charge. At this point, I've had the panel connected to the battery for about 2 weeks and all seems well. Number 2. Sooner Power 10W Solar Charger. This innovative solar charger is designed to keep your 12-volt batteries fully charged and ready to go. It's perfect for cars, boats, RVs, and more. It uses advanced MPPT technology for maximum charging efficiency, up to 99% tracking efficiency and 98% peak conversion efficiency. This means faster charging and longer battery life. The 3-stage charging process, bulk, absorption, float, ensures your battery is charged safely and effectively, extending its lifespan. It's completely maintenance-free. It automatically starts and stops charging as needed, so you can relax and let it do its job. It's equipped with multiple safety features, including overcharge, over-discharge, and short-circuit protection, keeping your battery and equipment safe. It's compatible with a wide range of 12-volt batteries, including lead-acid, gel, AGM, and lithium batteries. Use it with confidence in various applications. Made with high-quality materials, it can withstand extreme weather conditions. It's built to last. It's easy to install and use. Pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play cables make setup a breeze. What we like. It features smart MPPT technology for efficient charging and a 3-stage charging algorithm for optimal battery care. Multiple safety features protect your battery from damage. If you value safety and efficiency in a solar charger, this is a top choice. What people say. Bought this back in early April, it is now November. Mounted it to rear of my pontoon boat and used it all summer. This is just a 30-watt trickle charger. I got 1.5 to 1.75 amps out of it on a really sunny day and around 1 amp on an overcast sky. It kept my boat deep cycle battery conditioned and fully charged all summer. The mounting frame is pretty beefy, and the whole thing has a sturdiness to it. These are great for keeping a battery charged up when there is no electricity available. Set and forget. This panel W charger will keep your vehicle's battery topped off. It now keeps my pickup starting at the turn of a key. It is better suited as a maintainer. Number 1. Battery Tender Solar Panel Charger. This innovative charger harnesses the power of the sun to keep your batteries charged. It's perfect for remote locations or areas with limited access to electricity. It easily mounts to various surfaces using the included hardware. This makes it ideal for RVs, boats, or any outdoor application. You get the solar panel, a smart charge controller, and multiple connection cables for easy setup and use. A 5-year warranty and lifetime customer support are also included. The built-in controller prevents overcharging and discharging, ensuring your battery's longevity. An LED light indicates the charging status at a glance. It's compatible with various battery types, including lithium, lead-acid, and AGM. Its IP67 weatherproof rating and safety features provide reliable performance in any condition. It's built to last with a 5-year warranty and lifetime customer support. Enjoy worry-free charging for years to come. What we like. It's easily mountable for convenient outdoor use and features a smart charging system to prevent overcharging. Its weatherproof design ensures reliable performance in various conditions. If you need a durable and versatile solar charger for various applications, this one is for you. What people say. Hooked up to a deep cycle battery and installed on a fuel cell. Can fill multiple pieces of equipment daily. I've never had a problem with Beltran battery tender products. This is no different. I'm using it to keep the battery charged on the motorhome generator. Placed it on the roof. Could easily be permanently installed. Using on my RV and is performing great. Keeps battery charge at needed level for long periods of storage. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.